Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start right away by removing laces and stuffing the shoes to preserve form. This makes cleaning precise and prevents creasing. Next, brush away loose dirt with a soft bristle brush. 1 or 2 passes will do. Apply a small amount of Cole Haan cleaner to a cloth and test on a hidden spot for about 10-15 seconds so you verify color fastness. Once done, you'll know the product is safe and you're ready to move into concentrated cleaning. You apply the cleaner with the included pad, working in gentle circular motions. Spend roughly 30-60 seconds per stained area so the product lifts grime. Make sure to wipe away residue with a barely damp microfiber cloth. Do not soak the leather, because excess water damages adhesive and finish. For suede or nubuck, switch to the suede brush in short strokes. For smooth leather, allow it to dry briefly, and follow with the conditioner. You finish by applying a protective spray from 8-12 inches away, using 2 light coats to avoid buildup. Then let the shoes dry fully. Relace only when completely dry. For leather, buff with a soft cloth and apply a small amount of polish if desired to even the sheen. If you notice discoloration or uneven color, stop, repeat the patch test, and spot treat cautiously with diluted cleaner. If problems persist, contact Cole Haan support or consult a professional cleaner.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.